One of our favorites and gadget queen, Christina Daves, is back with her latest must-have product.
Well, like I said, if you're a good baker, you can do it yourself.
Yeah,
I cannot, so we cheat a little bit.
Hi there, I'm Christina Daves, and not only am I a television host, I'm also an inventor. That gives me a really unique, fun perspective when I do product or lifestyle segments.
And it has a timer and it has 4 different speeds.
And it does all the work for
All
you.
the work for you, isn't this great?
And the flowers just hook right on, and then you can use them afterwards too.
Oh,
There you go.
know what?
Thank you so much. You've made me feel amazing today.
So I went to the Houseware show last month.
Yes.
So this is all brand new stuff.
Okay.
So cool. So this is Tostia. You put your ingredients in, fold it, close it.
Put it in the toaster, and voila.
Voila. How cool is this?
Now, you're an entrepreneur and an inventor, but finding items that help make life easier is what it's all about,
That's
correct?
what I love to do. There's nothing that I love more than finding products that simplify life, make life easier, better, or just more fun.
And they have the extra large size just for you.
Okay, I love it.
He made these for us, Hoda. We have our very own. These are the only 2. We might get jumped in the parking lot on the way out, so we've got to hide these. Is this amazing?
beautiful.
Is that gorgeous? Now this is so cool. Zip Slicer Pro. Okay, this is such a great story. This is brilliant. And this getting stuff under your bed, they're all great.
Great.
How about
That was the answer I was looking for. You nailed it. You passed the test.
Oh, good.
Christina Daves, thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. And again, more information at ChristinaDaves.com.